Okay, so this one will be slightly more interesting. So what we have from here, let's see. Okay, so the concept that you need to know is, right, whenever they say normal to the circle, right, you must know that, right, how does a normal of a circle look like? Okay, so this is a circle. This is my tangent, right? So this line will be my normal. So first thing you need to know is the tangent and the normal will meet at a point on the circle, like let's say point P. Okay, second thing that you must understand is that the normal will always pass through the center of the circle. This is a very, very important concept. Okay, so let's see this one here. Okay, first we need to find the center and the radius of a circle. I guess I'm going to use this. Oh, this is a normal. Wait, this is the normal to the circle. Sorry, this is a circle. Let me rearrange, okay? X squared plus 2x plus y squared minus 4. Okay, so we're going to do the completing the square method. So from here, we're going to add b over 2 square, and then we're going to minus b over 2 square also. All right, so 2 over 2 square. Okay, for the y, right? Oh, it's just 0 square. 0 over 2 square, right? So nothing to do from, oopsie, nothing to do from here. So you can just ignore it. So just like that. So then when we further simplify this side here will become x plus 1 square plus y square 4 minus, so this one is minus 3. Okay, so then we have x plus 1 square plus y square equals to 3. In this case, center of the circle, swap sign, but y coordinate is 0. Radius, right, you can leave it as square root minus, oh, this is 5, sorry. This one should be 5. Minus 5, so 5. This one should be square root 5. Okay, so we have this one as square root 5. So that's the center and the radius of a circle. Then agak-agak you see, square root 5 is about how much? 2 point something lah. Okay, so they say find the equation at point, wait, what's point B though? Okay, so this one here, there's point A, and then it passes another point B. Okay, so let me just draw it nicely, okay? So what I have here is I'm going to draw my circle. All right, so I'm going to draw a normal first. So the normal will pass through the center. So your center is negative 1 and 0. Okay, radius you know also lah, but center very important because center is this one. All right, so center. Okay, then now they say it passes point A. Let's just anyhow draw negative 1 and negative 1. So maybe here, this is A, 1 and negative 1. And then there's another point B over here. Okay, so this question is a 6 mark question, right? So they want you to find the equation of what? Equation of tangent at B. So equation of tangent means this random line over here lah. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to understand one thing. When you want to find equation of the line, right, you always need gradient of the line and any point on the line. So any point on this blue line is coordinate B already lor. So what we have here is that A, B, and the center, right? This is the midpoint. Okay, so you can use the midpoint thing. So these two coordinates add together, divide by 2 will give me my middle. So what happens is I'm going to let B be x, y, like that. Okay, so I'm having like x plus 1 divided by 2 to find my middle, y plus negative 1 divided by 2 to find my middle, is equals to minus 1 and 0. Okay, so this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. So from here, I'm going to just solve them one by one. X plus 1 divided by 2 equals to minus 1. So x plus 1 will be equals to minus 2. So x is minus 3. Okay, do the same for y. Y minus 1 divided by 2 equals to 0. So y equals to 1. So then what we understand is that, oh, we know our B coordinate already. Our B coordinate is minus 3 and 1. Can understand, right? So use the midpoint thing. So this midpoint thing is actually from coordinate geometry, not from circles lah, but you're going to collate them together, use them together. Okay, so now we're going to find equation of the tangent, which is my blue line. So I'm using blue color, right? Okay, so what I have here is, okay, what we have is we need to find the gradient first. So in order to find the gradient, you can use any 2 points. You can use M, you can use B, you can use A, up to you. I'm going to use BM, okay? So 1 minus 0 over minus 3 minus negative 1. So it becomes negative half. Okay, this negative half, right, is the gradient of my pink line actually. Okay, which is the gradient of the normal. So how do you find the gradient of the tangent? Because they are both what? They are meeting at right angle. So the concept from coordinate geometry is gradient of two perpendicular lines adding together is equals to -1. So my gradient of my tangent, okay, is -1 divided by -half, which is 2. Correct? Then now I'm going to use any point that lies on the blue line. You have no choice. You have to use -3 and 1. So in this case, using the gradient, so dark, using the gradient, okay, and the point, you do your y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to mx plus c. You're going to find c, right? So c is 7. So therefore, my answer, y equals to 2x plus 7. So this is super, super important. It's not that scary, even though it looks like 6 marks, right? It's actually quite manageable one, okay?